how you can recover your Google account. So pay attention in the beginning of this video. You can use this method with your Android mobile and your iOS mobile. So follow this step by step. The first thing you need to do is open any browser. You can open from your PC or from your phone. So in our case, we will use the Chrome browser. So open your Chrome browser, and the next step, you must to tap right here in this 3-point icon and tap in new icon tab. You can use the same step by step with Safari or any browser, okay? So the first thing you need to do is access google.com, and after that you must search for Google Help Center, and it will show many informations. Tap in the first page in Google Help. Tap right here and it will show how can we help you. Tap in describe your issue, and after that recover, and tap in the first options how to recover your Google account or Gmail. In these options it will show many informations to recover your Google account. So scroll down until you find the first options. Forgot your password. If you forgot your password, you must click right here in this blue icon. But if you forgot the email address you used to sign in, tap right here and follow these steps. So if you are thinking someone else is using your account, tap right here. The main configuration we will tap is the first configuration, the forgot your password. Tap right here in recover your Google account or Gmail, and it will show this screen, account recover. You must tap your email or your phone. Even you didn't remember if you cadastrate your phone, tap right here your phone and just tap in next, and the Google will send you many questions to you answer, and after that your account will be recovered. If you are not remember your email, tap right here in forgot email, and it will change this page, and you just tap in your screen right here to you looking for your email, and after that your account will be recovered. The questions Google sends to you is different for each people, so pay attention when you are answering all the questions. And don't forget, my dears, leave a comment down here if this step by step works, subscribe at this channel, and see ya!